They're trying to fly into my hair. I'm gonna try and get close to the tree without getting pissed on. Where did I see them? They're swarming all over the place. Look at that one, look at that one. Oh my God. Let me try and get under the tree one more time. Just one more time. I want to try and get under the tree without getting pissed on, quote unquote. Hey, they're flying on my bike. All right, here we go. Wish me luck, people. Look at them all. Every time I record, there's kids coming out. Alright, I'm gonna try and go under the tree without getting pissed on again.